Hello, this is going to be the demo portion of the code. I'm just going to show off all the different things, including these two processes as well as the NeuroCooked game itself. So first off, we're just going to start off with Physiolab XR, just running that for now. There is an actual executable, but I haven't gone around to downloading it here. So initially, like I said before, with my initial script, you have to go to scripting here, and then locate the script. So for me, it'd be under scripting, wearable sensing, and the basic script here. Do wearable sensing, basic script. You'd have to fill out all these outputs, including the COM port. So COM port here. You have to add that, and then DSI24 and change it to 24, and then run it, and that would work. However, with this new integration part, we'll just do DSI24 right here. We'll add it, and you see it automatically populates in your screen. And then we'll have to change the COM port here. So for me, it's 5. And currently, the device is turned on, so I could also check impedance if I wanted to. And then, of course, the battery level isn't showing. But when this gets clicked, they'll turn it into impedance mode, and they'll show off the impedance values here. We do hope to have like a little map of the EEG headset here, just to show off where each electrode is. And then just map the impedances here to show the different colors, to whether or not the impedances are good or not. And also I just have like a bar graph to show the battery levels for the battery of this device. But because it's not yet implemented, I'm just going to show off this. So I'm just going to put this on right now. Get out of my hair. Press in, twist, tighten. Alright, make sure all the noise on. Then ear clips. Alright, and then we can just hit start. We'll just check here to make sure it's actually starting, so it is connected. And just in a few seconds, it will start populating the EEG. Of course, none of the actual plotting stuff is made by me. It has been made by the PhD student, just letting you know. But let's see. Here's my EEG signal. Okay, so now that's running. I'll now start running my NeuroCooked game. So everything looks good here. Just hit run. Then once this is running, it'll output an RPC option, which I'll copy here. Then I'll go over to my NeuroCooked game, go over to RPC client here, and here I have like a little host part. I just paste the RPC host there, and I'll just hit play here. Now it's gonna load up that, and I'll just start the game here. So it's starting trading. Just look at the squares associated with each M sequence that I'm looking at. It'll go for around 6 epochs, but it can be changed within the settings of the Unity. But as you can see right here, it is adding each sequence through RPC, saying which sequence number it is, as well as how long, and yeah, all that stuff like that. I'm just gonna let this run, I guess. Keep staring at it. I do have it outputting some correlation values between the training data and the sequence itself, just to make sure, but just to show off how the correlation is, and it is pretty low. I've tried testing different refresh rates, not that great. I haven't really found any correlation between that, sadly, so I think there's something wrong with my implementation of CBP, I'm guessing, but I'm not too sure. But after this is all done, let me stare at it for a little while. There's little breaks, of course, so that their eyes don't get tired or get epilepsy. CNC. Alright, now that the training is complete, I'll just hit play, and it will hopefully decode properly. Yeah. See, it's random right now because the correlation values are terrible, but I'm looking at sequence 1, and it's just not properly correlating with the current one. However, if the user fails to get it correct, it will refresh. Thinking about whether or not to add like a delete button, like delete last used, it's a little bit easier to do, but I'm not too sure if it's something I want to do at the moment, because I do kind of want to make it a little bit difficult. There is a point system, but because I'm currently not using the VR device, because it's just a VR game, you technically don't see it on your screen. But yeah, that is my game. Yeah, apart from that, that's about it. Thank you for letting me apply to this job, as well as taking the time to see what I've created and my abilities for coding. Thank you.